Making the samples.
Get rid of all the excess.
That's it.
Use your
Making
head.
samples. All right, here we go. Now we're going to go to part B, correct?
Yep. So I'm going to measure it into a clean cup.
All right. So now we're going to use a clean cup.
See my 4 perfectly.
And this time we go up to 16, right?
No, because it's got to be in that one.
Okay.
But the reason why I'm adding B into a clean cup, so I can exactly find my 4 ounces.
Got it.
Because if I do it in there,
So it's a total of 16. I get it.
total of 16.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 4 ounces of the part B
2-to-1
is
ratio.
going in there. Now this is the hardener.
This is the hardener. That's 4 ounces.
Good, right around there.
Yep. And since there's color a little bit over on the hardener, is not a problem.
Okay.
You want to recover your stuff.
Always keep a clean
Work area.
mix station, right, and work area.
Very important. Because anybody can slap the stuff on, but not everybody can do it right and neat.
Right. Remember going back to a lot of jobs when I first started, is people would get this stuff on the side of the walls and
Oh yeah.
on people's tiles, and
Very hard to get off.
very difficult. So now you're mixing it. Okay, you're just
remixing the color.
remixing that.
Make sure the color's all distributed well. Want a chip brush ready? These are called chip brushes.
Chip brush.
Cheap, very good to use for these. For some reason this one has some crap on it, even though it's brand new, so we'll get the spare. Okay, that was nice.
All right. It's good to get extra spares just in case. All right, now we're mixing the hardener part B
Yep.
with the
Into
color.
A and the color. You want to stir it for about a minute or so.
Now, when we're doing the bigger floors, we usually use the mixing drill to do this, right? This part.
You can do it by hand as well.
Some people use a stick.
Some people are of the mindset that a drill introduces bubbles,
Yeah.
and with quality epoxy, it shouldn't.
Right.
So I've done it both ways, and for the most part, it comes out good either way.
This is a driven man on a Sunday, mixing away.
On my knees, on concrete.
Soldier,
Sore
known
back.
this soldier, this Viking of a man for many years. Soldier, as if he was 20 years old.
Yep, just a number.
It's just a number. I recently gave him a job, and he was moving stones. They were bricks. They were large stones, something you'd see out of concrete stones, something you'd see out of like the Bible, out of like Babylon. Just moving them one by one. I couldn't even believe what I was seeing.
To a nice big
It's the man
pile.
and his craft. Yep, I took a picture of it. It was an amazing pile of large concrete stone. So this stuff has a little bit of scent. I know after it's installed it has a 0% VOC. I'm glad we didn't do it in the house with the baby.
Yep.
And I know that, you know, it's also about 10,000 PSIs after installed, so it's very durable.
Nice. Put it on your center second. You may or may not need the roller, but I like to have it ready in case.
Okay.
Just lay it on your center. Let it fan itself out.
All right, dropping it right in the center and letting it fan itself out. That's it, just 2 in black, right, Rob? The others are white.
Yeah. Black's on the right, white's on the left.
Got it.
And you can let it over drip. It's a nice complete edge. Gotta be careful with the sweat. Rubber gloves are good for protection, but they make me sweat like a pig.
Okay. Good thing you're not a surgeon. You are a doctor, though, a doctor of floors, a floor doctor.
I'd be contaminating a lot of bellies if I wasn't surgeon. Now you pre-moisten the brush with the leftover.
Yeah.
Just gonna nudge it over to your edges. And epoxy does a lot of self-leveling, so you don't really need to do a ton to it.
Mm-hmm.
In this situation, anyway. It's 2 to 1, so 8 ounces of A and then 4 ounces of B.
Got it.
So when you're breaking up a kit, that still gives you 2 to 1, which is what you need.
So you're going to do the 8 ounces first right now.
Yeah, and then you always add your B. You never add your A. Stop a little short so you can check. Wipe the schmeg off the corner. Keep it neat. A little high, but not too bad.
Good. It's a little high, but it's okay. That has to be exact.
No, but I like to be.
Okay. Perfect.
Exact.
So you have 8 ounces of clear epoxy, right?
Yep.
Part A?
Yes.
Part A.
Have your rags handy at all times. The neater you are, the better your job will be.
This is a veteran of the trade, straight out of Connecticut.
Straight out of Compton.
This is a serious veteran, a master craftsman of his craft. Okay, now that is the pigment.
Yep.
That's the black.
Pigment goes into A because you don't want to be adding pigment to a mixture that's
Okay.
starting to harden up.
So we're going to have, on this sample, we're going to have 1 black base coat and 1 white base coat.
And this goes 2 of these for a full kit, so I'm just using a little bit, kind of by eye, make sure it's
Right.
good and black for a sample. That's why I use a nice spoon. Bada boom. Maybe 2 spoons will do it. Stir it in there good. Make sure it's not too translucent. It looks pretty solid to me.
Okay.
I like to check it on the wall, and as it falls down the
And
wall,
how much did you put in there?
2 spoonfuls.
Okay, okay. And now you still have to mix another part that goes in
So
there.
I have to put B in there.
Okay.
So, because you don't want to be rushing, going crazy with A and B already in there, then add your color. It's
Right.
always A, then your color, then your B. So you can take your time with your color, make sure it's all right, stir it in well, so you're not fighting reacting concrete. Epoxy. Very simple. Okay. Now we let that settle a little bit so I can read the wall line.